In today's 60-second series, I'll be covering the power drill. I'll cover what it's used for, how to use it, and provide a quick tip. Most drills have a forward and a reverse. Think righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. This control is typically right behind the trigger, which makes the drill turn on and off. Most drills are battery powered and will need charged regularly. To remove the battery, look for a release knob like this. You'll need to know how to change out drill bits, which are used to screw things in and drill holes. This is called the chuck. With the drill in reverse, grip the chuck and pull the trigger. This will open the clamp that holds the bit in place. Put the drill in forward gear and hold the chuck to tighten the bit in place. Quick tip: pre-drill holes when you can using bits like this. This gives your screws some room to work with and helps prevent the screws from breaking or splitting the wood.